Hi guys, I'm not in today. I just updated Schoology to let you guys know Charlotte's not feeling really well, so I have to keep her home today, so I have to watch her at home. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what you need to be doing for your graphic organizer. Your graphic organizer, you should have completed the topic sentences and the thesis statement yesterday. If you did not finish those things, please make sure you look in yesterday's folder under materials to get extra help with that. Today, you need to be finishing the introduction and the conclusion paragraphs. All of that information is in yesterday's folder. You can get paragraph help here for the introduction and the conclusion, and it's also in today's folder as well. You have thesis statement help. If you still need topic sentence information, you can get that from yesterday. The due date for your graphic organizers for the pass-fail grade is going to change to tomorrow. I'm going to have that be a pass-fail grade at the end of class tomorrow. However, we are not getting additional class time. You guys have class time today, and tomorrow we are working on Generation Citizen because we need to work on that project, so you are not getting additional class time. What that basically means is you guys are able to work on this for today and tonight for homework, but I don't want anybody leaving things blank saying that you needed extra help. You need to take your best guess and try to write something to complete your organizer. Like I've said before, I can help you guys edit bad sentences or sentences that don't make sense, but I can't edit a blank organizer. So your organizers need to be complete. You guys do not get to use the excuse that you didn't know what to do. So if you're behind or you're stuck, you've had this entire week to get help, and you guys can work on this today by yourselves and use information that you need in Schoology to take your best guess. If your writing is bad, that's fine. But if it's blank, that's not acceptable. So the due dates change. Just make sure you guys work on your graphic organizer in class today. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow.